So a problem you're immediately going to run into is your string getting really twisted up like this. This is called string tension, and it happens because every time you throw the yo-yo, your yo-yo twists and twists and twists and twists, and it gets really tight or really loose depending on if you throw with your left or right hand. The way that you fix this is you can use the long way. You can take the yo-yo string off your finger and then roll your fingers down it a few times and let it unroll. Or a quicker way to fix your string tension is to just drop your yo-yo and observe what direction it is spinning into, okay? Right now it's spinning to the left. That means my yo-yo string needs to be loosened. So whatever direction your yo-yo spins in, you can help it spin too. Just remember that one turn of your yo-yo, one 360-degree rotation of your yo-yo is one of the strands of string. So if you can see, I just let my yo-yo spin pretty quick and it's still not perfect, okay? So let it spin for long enough, check your string tension, make sure it's good before you roll your yo-yo back up.